Hey, John, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course, what's up, boss?
I've noticed something lately, John. It seems like you are always arriving late to the office. Is there something going on?
Oh, really? I'm sorry, boss. I didn't realize it was becoming a problem. I'll make sure to be more punctual from now on.
It's not just about punctuality, John. It's about commitment and responsibility. We rely on each other to be present and ready to work. Can you tell me why you've been consistently late?
Well, to be honest, there have been some personal issues that have been causing me stress. It's been challenging for me to get up and get ready in the mornings.
I understand that life can be tough sometimes, but it's important to find a balance. We all have our struggles, but we need to prioritize our work commitments. Is there anything I can do to help?
Actually, I appreciate your understanding, boss. It means a lot. Maybe if I could have a flexible schedule, it would really assist me in managing my personal issues. I promise I'll put in extra effort to make up for any lost time.
I can appreciate your request, John. However, having a flexible schedule might disrupt the team's workflow. Let's find a solution that works for both of us. Can you try setting an earlier alarm or finding strategies to cope with your personal issues?
I'll do my best, boss. I understand your concerns, and I don't want to let the team down. I'll make some changes and prioritize my work commitments.
I appreciate your willingness to improve, John. I believe in your potential, and I know you can overcome these challenges. Remember, we're here to support each other. Just take the necessary steps to address the issue, and I'm confident things will improve.
Thank you, boss. Your support means a lot to me. I'll work on getting my personal issues under control and ensure that my punctuality improves. You won't be disappointed.
I trust you, John. Let's revisit this conversation in a couple of weeks to see how things are progressing. Remember, open communication is key, so feel free to reach out to me if you need any assistance or have any updates. Absolutely, boss. I appreciate your patience and understanding. I'll make it a point to keep you informed, and I'll work hard to regain your trust. That's what I like to hear, John. I believe in second chances, and I know you can turn this around. Now, let's get back to work and show everyone that we're a team that's committed and dependable.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.